to a new vlog. In today's video, we're gonna get out of a rut. I have been feeling in a rut for quite a little bit. 3 weeks ago, I sprained my ankle pretty bad, so obviously an injury is always gonna set you back. And then about 2 weeks ago, I got 2 new implants in my mouth, so I had a whole tooth surgery on top of it, and I was kind of like in doubt if I was gonna postpone that surgery because of my foot, but I was just kind of like, you know what, I'm already in it, like let's just do it. So it's been a couple of weeks right now, and the first weeks was definitely healing and it was getting better, but I am feeling kind of like this plateau phase right now where I just can't really do a lot. I feel exhausted all the time, like I will get inflamed, my ankle hurts. It's just been like a really frustrating moment, but I feel sometimes you just get through these phases of just not feeling as motivated or just like not feeling as like comfortable in your own skin for literally whatever reason, and sometimes there is not even a reason. That sometimes can be so frustrating. Sometimes I just also wake up in the morning and I feel this sense of guilt because then I'm like, why am I feeling in a rut? Why am I feeling this way? Like I have everything I have a roof, I have food, and I don't know, I just like get then like a guilt feeling, and it's just like not helping because I don't know, I just get into this like weird spiral. But in today's video, I kind of want to take you through a daily vlog and get out of a rut with me. I think step number 1, what always helps, is just taking a shower, and actually from head to toe. I just realized I actually have a hair appointment today, which will help me so much, honestly, in just feeling better. I just always feel every little self-care thing is gonna help me. But yeah, I probably did not have to wet my hair or wash my hair this morning, but I do feel almost like step 1 out of getting out of a rut is taking a shower, and taking a cold shower on top of that. Like I'm telling you, it will wake you up, it will shock your body, and you always feel so good. Like you truly do not have to do like cold plunging and all of that, but a cold shower does wonders. So I'm gonna do a good skincare. I am using a soothing mist. I honestly keep my skincare in the morning really simple. And then I usually mix these 2 serums, the hyaluronic serum and then this vitamin C serum from Dr. Dennis Gross. You guys, if you have melasma, I have struggling with melasma for so many years, and this summer it has truly been in the best shape it's ever been. It's really not that bad. I've been incorporating this product, so I think a good vitamin C if you have dark spots and pigmentation is literally key. I guess step number 2 is do a good skincare routine. I honestly always do that. I just feel it's like a non-negotiable, but I don't know, just like take a little bit of extra time today. Okay, this is another product that I've been incorporating. It is from Clearstem, the Bounce Back, and people are swearing by this that it's like the natural Botox. It's like a serum for fine lines, radiant serum. I like their products, and I know a lot of my friends use it because they're all pore clogging and really good for people with acne. We love a good serum. So good. I'm gonna grab my gua sha and just let's get some movement going. My face is also so puffy, you guys. I'm gonna do a little no sugar reset this week because my body just really needs it. There's a lot of inflammation happening. So good. I just feel the gua sha just like wakes up your skin in the morning. Last but not least, a little day cream. Also, I don't know if you guys have seen, but I am back to neutral nails. I have been putting gel nails on my nails for so many years. One day I was at the nail salon and I took the nails off, and I just saw the condition of my nails. Like they were so thin and bad and just not good looking. And I was like, you know what? I do think after so many years putting fake UV lights and fake nails on it, I was like, I think I need to like take a little break of it. And it honestly took maybe 3 months before my nails have completely grown out, and now they're finally back to healthy. And it was awful because I was walking around with like claws, like just such ugly nails for so many weeks and months actually. But I was just kind of like, I think it's gonna be worth it to give my nails a little bit of a break. And I'm not gonna lie, right now they are neutral and they are fresh, they are healthy, and I actually think having no nail polish is kind of chic as long as your nails are nicely filed and stuff. So I don't know, it also saves a lot of time. Like in the weekends I used to do my nails and now I don't, and I'm like, you know what, it's actually really nice. But team natural nailies right now. I'm sure in a couple of weeks I want to like get some nails back on, because when I do it just feels so good. But for now we are in the natural nailies club. Also, if I'm whispering, Max is still sleeping downstairs. He came back from New York last night at like 1 a.m. so I don't want to wake him up. I'm also gonna use some natural deodorant. You guys, it is really hard to find good natural deodorant. I feel a lot of them just like don't really work, to be honest. But these, honestly, aloe, love this one. And then this one from Necessaire, I also love their body products. And this is like a good fragrance free. That stuff you just buy sometimes at the eco store. I'm like, a little smelly. Number 3, getting out of a rut, is getting morning movement in. And I truly wish I could be doing a little workout now, but unfortunately I can't. So I'm gonna still prioritize movement, because I'm gonna do a stretch. It just like immediately like opens up your body, and I always feel that like being in a rut, like you have stagnant energy somewhere. The way to remove this is by doing a stretch, or even dancing, or making like weird little kind of movements and stuff. And this is gonna kind of release or just like move that energy through, and it's usually always giving a really kind of big boost. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Guys, I'm doing a little bone broth this morning. I got this one from Rui Broth and I love it. It is so good for your gut and for your skin in the morning, first thing. So I'm gonna just make a little. Because I'm still on mushy food after the tooth surgery, I have some purple sweet potato. I love using potatoes for leftover. Some cottage cheese, eggs, avocado, and that's it. And my bone broth. Are we on number 4 or are we on number 5? I'm not sure. Number 4 or number 5. Make a nourishing meal for yourself and don't crave for sugar. I feel when I feel in a rut and I'm like reaching to sugar, you often feel more of that sugar rush after, and you actually will get more of that energy dip. So I always like try to go for like nourishing foods, because honestly even throughout the day it's gonna make me feel so much better. So good nourishing breakfast. Okay, this is the bathroom right now. I think I'm gonna swap this to black as well, and then this green is just all gonna be the same kind of plaster texture. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, like a little plaster texture in here, so it'll be really nice. I just got to my hair appointment. So I think I'm just gonna go a little bit blonder and then do a little bit of a trim and style it. I am maybe thinking of doing some extensions at one point, but I have heard a little bit of mixed feelings or mixed opinions on this. Like, I've heard from some girls who say they like love them, other people say it like ruins their hair and their scalp. It does keep like a little bit of upkeep, but I do feel if you do it with like really good quality and someone like that actually knows what they're doing. And I don't want to do crazy much, just like a little bit of filling. I don't know, I haven't really fully decided it yet, but I'm actually curious if you guys have any experience with that. Let's go inside. Come say hi. Hi. If you need the best blonde in LA. Also, you also do all my brunette friends, by the way. Sierra.
All hair types.
Shout out. She's the queen. Before it's like maybe like not as interesting. The mid long. Wow, I haven't been this blonde in a long time. Yeah, I love it. Alright guys, I feel like a newborn woman. It was actually a coincidence that today my hair appointment was the same day I was filming this video of like how to get out of a rut, but I do feel like doing some type of like self-care, whether that's taking a bath or putting on a hair mask or a face mask or something, is something that always kind of get me out of a rut, because immediately now I just like feel so much better. It's like having a really good hair day. I also quickly got a juice. This is Joe's Identity, so usually the one that I get, and then I add on ginger. I think it's celery, cucumber, kale, spinach, and then something fresh in it. I'm not really sure, but it's really good. I always feel very healthy when I have this, but I just felt I need a little immunity boost, especially with the ginger. Also, something that I haven't really spoken on a lot on the vlog is obviously Max and I are kind of like thinking of where we want to like live next, and I would love to be in a house somewhere like outdoors, but we just like don't really know where, because to be honest LA is so expensive, the neighborhoods that we want to live in. But a friend of ours had this place in New York, and Max has been really craving being more bi-coastal because it is very beneficial for Nekohama to be there, and also for Europe. Like, it's just, we have still a lot of roots in New York, and we were kind of like thinking, do we want to fully move back? But like that seems quite a lot, like moving back to the city and moving back with Katsu. But we are currently exploring. We actually put an application in for a apartment there. It will kind of be like a sublease for a little while. So we're not fully moving back to New York, but we will definitely be spending some more time there, which I'm honestly really excited about. And I feel so many of you as well, because I don't know if you've been here since like the early days, but when I started YouTube, guys, it's been like almost 8 years. It's like such OG time. It all started in New York, and I just feel there's like something about the energy that is kind of pulling us back a little bit, and like for me to be closer to Europe and all of that. So I don't know, I just feel like LA has maybe had this like moment for us a little bit. Obviously I still have my studio here, but that, I don't know, we honestly just have to see. And maybe like once we're in New York, I'm like, I don't know if this is for me, but I am so excited to be spending some more time there. So it's definitely like, I feel a really big life update there. Okay, I'm going home. Navigate home. It's probably like full on traffic hour right now. Let's see. 40 minutes. That's like the one thing about LA. Everything also is like so far away, so I really need to drive really fast. But whoop. Guys, we're here at the doggy wash. Katsu's getting a little wash. I'm gonna pick up Max and Katsu. He always looks so cute when he got washed, but like he really hates it. Poor thing. Oh, there you are. Oh, are you getting a little wash? I just got home. It smells a lot like plaster. Oh my god. So with plaster, it's always like when you put one layer on, it really Like also with paints, usually when it dries it looks a little different. With plaster it looks very different. It looks way darker when you just do the plaster, and it really needs to dry to actually see the texture and color. But so far that looks so good already. Max also is on his beauty routine. You love his red light therapy. Okay, I got some groceries quickly. So I was kind of looking in the category of anything soft that I can eat, and I'm gonna make some turkey meatballs with a little bit of zucchini in it, so it like makes it really nice, soft and moist. And then just with like a simple sweet potato curry. Sweet potato. Guys, now I'm in my potato phase. Okay, here we go. I got some groceries, sweet potato, coconut milk, some yogurt. I feel this is the best brand here in the States. Really good, some eggs and some cheese. Let's make some dinner. I had some leftover turkey and then also some leftover zucchini, so I made a turkey burger out of it that I'm also gonna make, and I will just meal prep this for tomorrow. Cook once, eat twice, you guys. Dinner is ready. Guys, this looks so good and so warming. Turkey meatballs, and I have some extra in the fridge with the curry, and then some rice. Yum.